Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jawan Abdul Nasr. I'm from semester 1A. My NPM is A 2122035. I want to describe the burette. Burette is a laboratory tool commonly used in quantitative chemical analysis. The function of the burette is to measure the volume of a liquid or gas, but all this of course based on the type of burette used. The burette that is often found has the shape of a long glass tub with volume marking lines and stopcock at the bottom. Stopcock are valves used to start and stop the flow of liquid or gas through pipes. Due to the high precision of the burette, care is required in measuring the volume to avoid systematic error. Next, when reading the burette, your eyes must be perpendicular to the surface of the liquid. This is avoid parallax error. When filling the burette, close the stopcock tab at the bottom. Use a funnel to avoid spills. You may have to leave the funnel slightly to allow the titrating solution to flow freely. In addition, you can also fill the burette with a disposable transfer pipette, because the pipettes work very well when combined to a pipette is dry. Then rinse use the detergent so that the concentration of the solution does not change before carrying out the titration. What must be considered is the coincidence of the burette with the titrant solution, and check whether the burette flow freely or not. Check the tip of the burette for air bubble or not. If there is, then to remove it is to hit the end of the burette while the solution is flowing. When there are air bubbles during the titration, of course, this will affect the accuracy of the data that will be obtained later. Make sure that the walls on the inside of the burette are dry. You can use dry paper to dry the inside of the burette. The goal is to avoid adding the volume of the solution after it is compressed. When give the solution to the titration flash, the trick is to turn the stopcock. The end spine should approach slowly, adding drop waste. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.